Time for some baby guesses. So in this assignment, you will be guessing if baby Smith will be a boy or a girl. So the first page has this onesie, and you can choose to decorate it in the theme of a boy's outfit or a girl's outfit, or maybe you don't care if the baby is a boy or a girl, and you just want the baby to be healthy, which is how Mrs. Smith feels and Mr. Smith. So you can just decorate it in whatever theme you like. If you really like cars, you could decorate it like that. If you like Barbies, that would be okay too. And then at the bottom, make your best guess. What should Mrs. Smith and Mr. Smith name baby? What should the first name be, and what should the middle name be? You have some options. Okay, and then the second paper is where you can write a letter to baby. Here are some questions that you can answer. What should baby learn? Will you be there to help baby at St. Dominic's School? What are some fun things that baby has to try when he or she is bigger? Make sure you write down who it's from and then draw a picture of what you think baby will look like. Okay, I look forward to seeing all of your different guesses, and perhaps I'll even do a chart to see how many think that baby is a girl, how many thought that baby was a boy. All right, I hope you enjoy.